Hi, my name is Shannon Ziegler and I'm a Norwex independent sales consultant. Today I want to demonstrate to you the power of our Norwex EnviroCloth versus raw chicken. First thing I'm going to do is take a piece of raw chicken and rub it on this surface. I'm then going to use a protein swab, which are used by inspectors to determine how much protein is left on a surface, to show you the amount of protein left behind on the surface after using an EnviroCloth. Green is clean, purple is full of protein. We can see already it's not green any longer. It's already starting to turn. We'll leave that sit for a minute. Then I'm going to take a damp EnviroCloth and clean the raw chicken off the surface. We'll take a second protein swab, bring that other one back here, and we will swab it now that we've cleaned it using the EnviroCloth. And we'll wait about 2 minutes to see what the results are. Okay, let's take a look at the results. This is the swab that we used to clean beforehand. This is on the raw chicken, so you can see it's clearly full of protein, obviously. But you can see that after cleaning with an EnviroCloth, the swab is green. Norwex microfiber has the ability to remove up to 99% of bacteria from a surface when following the proper care and use instructions.